I know that you've been doing well lately. So, what we have today? Today's activity is known as wet pouring activity. It is actually the water pouring activity which is called wet pouring activity in Montessori pattern. It serves various purposes, like it teaches children how to pour water, transferring of water, and cleaning. It develops fine motor skills as they are engaged in carefully manipulating the vessel. Requires delicate balance, but once kids achieve it, they love this activity. Materials required in this activity is a pitcher filled with water. Make sure the pitcher is small, 2 glasses, and a rug. Don't forget to subscribe the Digital Mom TV so that we can bring you fun learning videos for your toddler. Also press the bell icon so that you are notified about our latest updates. This is a pitcher. For kids, it's important that it is smaller in size. These are glasses used when we pour water for drinking. Here is the rug used for cleaning when water is spilled. Now we'll practically explain the activity to you. Show your kid how to hold the pitcher from its handle and gently pick up the pitcher. Next step of this activity is to help your child in pouring water into the first glass to be filled half. Now we will learn the importance of cleaning the mess when created while pouring water into the glass. Dear parents, spilling of water is the part of this activity, so appreciate your child for pouring water so carefully. Now ask your tiny tot to perform the same task when little bit of water is spilled. Say, "Don't worry, we will clean it up using a rug." Oh, a little bit of water got spilled, but don't worry, we will clean it using a rug. Now show your kid by cleaning the table where water is spilled. After cleaning, keep the rug where it was kept before starting the activity. Now fill the glass with water similar to the earlier filled glass. This is important so that your child know that water is filled in half volume of both the glasses. It will also give a sense of analyzing quantity. So, show your child the similarity in both the glasses. Thank you. Happy learning.